Gusto ko po ayun, seryoso sa amin na kayo. Gusto ba? Ayaw ko. Ayaw na. Talagang jokes naman.
Back, front, front, back. We're gonna speed this up. If you're not comfortable with popping your ass, all I want is your hands. Boom, 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 boom. But if you can, get in that shit. Come on, 4, 3, good, 2. We call it the ribbit walk. You go ribbit, 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 ribbit. Staying low, lifting and dropping that ass. If you have no space, stay in place and lift up those legs. Santa sleigh. You go Santa sleigh, bring the gifts. Santa sleigh, bring the gifts. Santa sleigh, bring the gifts. Santa sleigh, bring the gifts.
What's up, Pinas? Gusto mo bang manalo ng 500 pesos? Tara, laro tayo. Like and share nyo lang tong video na to or any video ko. And syempre, mag-comment ka kung taga saan ka. At kung sino ang lugar na maraming like, share at comment kung taga saan sila, sila ang lugar na pupuntahan ko kung saan ako magla-live sa isang lugar at doon nyo lang ako hahanapin at sisigaw kayo ng What's up, Pinas? Don Juan TV. At ganun lang, ibibigay ko on the spot ang 500 pesos mo. So anong hinihintay mo pa? Like, share, and comment na po. Peace and one love!